Is your BMW 5 Series missing modern smartphone integration, or is your current CarPlay acting up? Studies show that nearly 90% of drivers now consider wireless connectivity essential for their daily commute. Let's explore your best options for bringing your infotainment system into the modern era. Before you buy anything, start by verifying your iDrive version and ensuring your factory harness is compatible with aftermarket modules. You can go with an MMI interface box to keep your original screen, or swap to a full Android-based touchscreen unit. Costs vary widely depending on whether you choose a software unlock or a complete hardware replacement. While DIY is possible with plug-and-play kits, complex fiber optic routing is often best left to the professionals. Upgrade wisely and enjoy the seamless smartphone experience your BMW 5 Series deserves.